Keep on your camera. 3 times we have to say. Then what are you doing behind the camera? Please go out from my class. If you don't want to keep on your camera, please go out from my class. No need. Those students who are not giving the respect to my words. New lesson, chapter 5, lines and angles. Lines and angles. Okay, now we have seen already lines. What is meant by line? There are a lot of points. But infinite points are there. If I join that point, I will get a line. Isn't it? I'll get a line. Suppose, next, line segment. Line segment. What is meant by line segment? My question is now, are these line and line segments the same? See, in the teach me tab, there is a new option you can see. Raising hand up, hands up. Hand symbol, can you see that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Those who are updated, you can see. So, that hand symbol, those who want to say the answer, you must press that hand symbol. I'll come to know. Instead of putting in the chat box, if you press that hand symbol, I will come to know here who pressed that. Okay, you can do that. Chat means you have to go completely back, isn't it? Your screen will close. In this screen will not get closed. So you can use that. Here today I was don't shout for each and everything.
In class,
Huh? What is that? Apurva, will you off your mic? Otherwise, say your parents to go from there. Why are you shouting behind the class? Okay, line segment. Now my question is, line and line segment, is this both the same?
No.
No. Then what is meant by line? What is meant by line segment? What is the difference between line and line segment? Yes, Ananya?
Line segment are they fixed? Lines are fixed.
Okay. Understood. What you said that I understood. What about line?
Line can expand.
Very good. Correct. What she said, that's correct. Line means we can expand in both the sides. How much length you want? That much you can take. That's a line. That's a line. Okay, we can mark it like this. Using arrow mark. Arrow mark means it will go that side also, it will go this side also. What is it by line segment? Line segment, it is a fixed one, she said. It is having two end points. It is having two end points. We cannot produce it wherever we want. Suppose draw a line segment 5 centimeter. Draw a line segment 5 centimeter. So there is two end points. You see, this is the one point, this is the one point. There is two end points. Fixed one, we cannot produce it. But a line we can produce in both the sides. You can produce in that side also, you can produce in this side also, no problem. That is a line. Next, what is meant by ray? Do you know about the ray? What is meant by ray? Anyone? Can you tell me what is meant by ray? Don't know.
Yes.
Ray means start from one point and goes to infinity.
Very good, Aditya. Ray means starting from one point and continuously we can take it further. Means in one side it will continue. It is continuing only one side. Line means in both the sides we can continue. Line segment we can't continue, it is fixed one. Ray in one side fixed, one side we can continue. That is the ray. Now in math every term, each and every term we can mention very shortly. We are not writing a theoretical answer in math, isn't it? So how can I write this line? I name it as xy. I can write this line shortly xy. Upon that one line I will put and I will show two arrow mark. It says without giving this, it's only this one they are given. XY is a line. By seeing the upper arrow mark, you must decide it is a line. Then line segment, how can I write? Just AB above line. No arrow mark. No arrow mark means it is a line segment. How to write this? This I'll take it as P and Q I'll take. PQ is a ray, one side arrow mark. Have you got it? See, three differences. While looking, everything shows like same, but they not same. They are different, okay? They are different. This is about the line segment and ray. Next one, angle. So what is mean by angle? You know, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. You have studied, is it?
Yes.
Have you studied or not? Yes.
Yes.
So now you tell me, what is mean by angle? Tell me the simple angle definition. When we are getting an angle here,
Two rays are pointed in. Two rays are joined in one point.
very good. Two rays are joined, two rays or two line segments are joined in one point. What space here formed, that is called angle. That is called angle. This is called angle. I will join here also. What space is formed here? What space is formed here? These spaces are called angle. These spaces are called angle. So if I named this one as A, B, C, right angles. First I wanted to concentrate on A. Now just I'll rub this one, okay? I wanted to tell you how to write the angle because many of the students, some are there even now in 10th standard, they don't know how to write angle, side, vertex. If we ask vertex, they will write angle there. If we ask angle, they will write side there. They don't know the difference between those three. I don't know what the students are doing, but you listen it carefully. One point where the two lines they will join, that point we are calling it as vertex. Okay? Where two lines joining and forming a single point we are calling it as vertex. Those two lines are denoted, then we are calling it as side. Vertex means single number will come. A is a vertex, that's all. Which are line segment? AB is a line segment. This is called a side. AB is a line segment. It is called a side. Even AC also side. Angle forms in the middle. Which middle means A should come in the middle. Which are the side bodyguards? B and C. So how can I write angle? Angle A must come in the middle because angle forms in A. So these two must come in the side. We will write alphabetical wise. B, A, C. Angle, it is the symbol. B, A, C. BAC is the angle. Understood? BAC. One is over. Suppose if I joined this BC line segment, one more angle formed in B. Angle formed in B. So how can I write this? A, B must come in the middle. A, B, C. Angle, yeah, B, C. One more I can see here. That is C.
BCA.
Come in the middle. How can I write?
BCA.
BCA. Very good.
Angle
You are correct. BCA is angle BCA correct. But one I'm saying always write alphabetical wise. Middle one is C. Here BCA. C we cannot change because that's the middle one. While writing, first you write the first alphabet. ACB you write. Okay. Always that is good. ACB, alphabetical wise we have to write always. It's not wrong. Nobody can say BCA is wrong. It's correct. If you return this, I will not mark it wrong. It's correct only. But there is one way, right? Alphabetical wise. Alphabetical wise ಅಂದರೆ ABC ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ CA ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay? A, C, B. If you return BCA, okay. Nobody will mark it as wrong. So understood. Angle means 3 will come. Side and that I'll write both here. Now side. Side means which one? AB is on one side. BC is on one side. AC is on one side. Side means two alphabets. Angle means 3 alphabets. Then what about vertex?
One alphabet.
One alphabet. A, B, C. 3 together we are calling it as vertices. Okay, vertices, 3 together. 1 means vertex. Whatever may be. Understood the differences? Angle, side, vertex. See, this you must know correctly. After going to higher classes, don't do the mistakes. While writing angle, suppose if you written angle ABC. If you forgot to put this sign, just if you written ABC, it will not become angle. It becomes a triangle now. Suppose you forgot to put this sign, that's all. You forgot this sign, angle sign. It is wrong. If you written ABC, it's wrong. Is it angle or triangle? There confusion comes. Or you must say like this, one cap upon the B. If you written one cap upon the B, it says it is an angle. This cap, meaning of this cap is V. Oh, not V, ulta V. This cap says it's an angle. We will denote like this also, angles. Okay. These are the basic things. It's not there in the reader. Already you have studied. Once again I repeat it. Okay. Next we will come back to our lesson. Angle over. Next comes for you. Angle in that you were studied. Acute angle. What is meant by acute angle? Now one by one. Give me the answer. Yes, tell me. Acute angle.
For angle between 90.
Angle between 90 wrong.
Angle smaller than 90.
Huh? Yes, angle is less than 90 degree. Angle is less than 90 means which angle it is?
Right angle.
Very good. 90 means straight, isn't it? Straight. This is 90. Right angle. If this line straight line little falls this side, means right side. This is less than 90. This is less than 90. That is acute. Suppose it is more than 90. Suppose it is more than 90.
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. Okay, very good. This much you have studied already. Now we are going to study complementary angles. What is mean by complementary angles? Complementary angle means what? Do you know about complementary angle?
More than 180 degree.
Who told like that? Wrong. More than 180 degree, that is not complementary angle, that is a reflex angle. Okay. reflex angle. Complementary angle means sum of two angles, sum of any two angles must be 90 degrees. Sum of any two angles must be 90. Complementary, 90. Okay, suppose I am giving here one angle as 50 degrees. I want to add something. I want to add something here. I must get what? 90 degrees. What is that something here?
40.
40
degree.
40 degrees. 40 degrees. Is it?
30 degree.
Very good. Enough. There one hand symbol is given. I said just press that one. I'll ask the question. Everyone don't shout. Okay. 40 degree. Very good. Means the question comes how you know. They may ask. This example only I will take. What is the complementary angle of 50 degrees? Angle of 50 degrees. So it is 90 minus 50 you have to do. That time you will get the answer. 40 degrees. This is the complementary angle of 50. Same question one more way. What is the complementary angle of 40 degrees? 40 degrees. 90 minus 40. That is 50. 1 mark question. Very important. Till your 10th. Afterwards, if you are going to take maths, it's important only. Okay. This is about complementary. Simple question. Using the diagram we'll see. Okay. Now three figures I will draw here. Just you must identify which two figures are complementary to each other. Okay. Identify the complementary figures. Can I ask if you have any doubt? Don't keep quiet yourself. Okay, I will take this one as 60. This is the figure 1. SPA students, tell me which two figures if we combine we will get complementary angle.
First and third.
60 degree and 30 degree.
Figure 1 and figure 3. Means 60 plus 30 is 90 degree. Suppose if they ask like this. It's asked in the reader. Okay. Next. Now, I will draw one figure. You must say which is the one more I have to draw. Now, first I will draw 70 degree. Next, which figure? Which angle means how much angle figure I have to draw here?
20 degree.
50 degree.
20 degree.
Very good. I have to draw here
20.
So, now you are clear. Is it what is meant by complementary angle? Understood? Sum of two angles must be, sum of two angles must be 90 degree. Okay, now some questions are there. Please off your mic. Okay, now some simple questions are there. Wait. First question. Think and give the answer. Now you understood about complementary angle you said. Is it? Right. Now think and give the answer. Can Can two acute angles be complementary to each other? Can two acute angles be complementary to each other? Think. What is answer? Yes or no?
Yes.
Complementary to each other. Who is saying that yes, sir? How?
If we
How?
add 60 degree,
If I add
50 degree
60 degree
and
plus
30 degree,
30 degree, I will
we
get
get 9.
9. Very good, very good. What he said, that is 100% correct. You see, can two acute angles, the other question is, can two acute angles, 60 is acute, is it? And
Yes.
30 also acute, because acute means what? Less than 90.
less
If
than
we
90.
add these two, we will get 90. Then this answer is correct. Very good. Second question. Can two obtuse angles be complement to each other? Can
No.
two
No, ma'am.
obtuse angles complement to each other? He said no. Why?
Because obtuse angle is more than 90 degree. More than
Very good. Suppose I'm taking one obtuse angle, it is what? 110 I will take. Obtuse means more than 90.
Yes.
So it is not possible because our condition is what? For complementary angles, sum of these two only 90, not more than 90. Is it? So this is not possible. I will write here, not possible. Okay, now one more question is there. Wait, just before going down.
Ma'am,
Oh, question.
if we sum the obtuse angle, we will not get complementary. If we subtract,
Yes?
if we subtract 110 degree
Hmm.
and 20 degree, we will get 90 degree.
But, what is the definition of complementary angle? Definition of complementary angle is, if we add two sum of, sum, not subtractions, not a difference they said there, sum they said. So we are not going to subtract here, okay? That is not possible. Next, third question. Can two right angles be complement to each other? Can two right angles be complement to each other?
No.
No,
Why? Yes,
because
no, correct.
Because they are now 90 degree already.
Very good.
already 90 degree.
Yes. One right angle is already it is 90. One right angle is already it is 90. Here they ask two right angles. 90 plus 90 how much?
180 degree.
180 degree. If it is 180 degree, which type of line it is?
Straight line.
Straight angle.
Very good. Very good. It is a straight line. So, not possible. Very good. Okay. Now, you understood about the complementary angle. Next, we will go for next one, supplementary angle. Complementary is finished. Next is a supplementary angle. And what is meant by supplementary angle? What is meant by supplementary angle? Sum of any two angles. Can you guess? Can you guess? Must be? No.
180.
180. Okay, no problem. 180 degree. Sum of any two angles must be 180 degree. Okay. Complementary means sum of any two angles must be 90 degree. So now I'll take one angle 60 degree. What may be the supplementary angle of 60 degree? Can you tell me the answer?
120 degree.
Very good. It is 120 degree. Is it correct? What I drawn 120 degree? Is it correct?
Yes. Yes.
No.
Is it
No, ma'am.
correct?
No.
No.
ma'am,
Very good. Why?
Obtuse
Very
angle.
Very good. It is obtuse, not drawing like acute. So it is 120 degree. Remember this one. Obtuse means it must come out. Okay. Okay. One more.
Tamanna is in this class only, no? Tamanna, why are you calling? Student, I think. You dear students. Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? Dear students,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
hear my- Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next question. Next question.
Next question. What is the supplementary angle of? What is the supplementary angle of? $95 degree. Yes, anyone?
85.
80? What I have to do
85
now? 180 minus 95, I must do. Okay. 5, 7
85.
minus
8.
85. Very good. 85 degree. Correct. Good. Next. Once again, few questions I'll ask here. Answer. Listen the question carefully. Can two obtuse angles be supplementary? Can two obtuse angles be supplementary?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes means what is the answer? Example. Can two obtuse angles may be supplementary? Example. Who said it? Obtuse means more than 90. Correct? Obtuse means more than 90. Suppose if I am taking 91 degree, just not too much high I am taking. Just 91 I am taking. Little high. Little means 1 next. Plus how much is 180 now?
89.
89 ma'am.
No, ma'am, it's
80?
acute. Acute, ma'am. 89 is
89.
acute.
Now tell me, is this true or obtuse?
No, ma'am.
Then who
One
said,
is
No, ma'am.
acute.
who said that answer at that time? Not possible. Second question. Second question. Can two acute angles be supplementary? Can two acute angles be supplementary?
No, ma'am. Cannot.
Yes?
No.
No. No. Acute. I will take 89, highest one, plus one more also I will take 89 only. How much you are getting? 178. Is it?
Yes.
Highest two angles I have taken. Highest two angles I have taken. But also we are not getting it is supplementary. So not possible. Not possible. Okay, third question. Yes, third one. Ready?
Yes ma'am.
Can two right angles be supplementary?
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
video is breaking. Dear students, is the video, is it video is clear?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Manya, please refresh yourself. Only your network problem it is, okay? Can two right angles be supplementary?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, why? Why?
90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to
Very
180
good.
degree.
Very good. 90 plus 90.
180.
180 degree.
Yes, possible. Yes, possible. Good. So supplementary, complementary. Is it clear?
Yes ma'am.
Complementary means sum of two angles must be 90.
90 degree.
Supplementary means sum of two angles must be 180 degree. Yes. Next, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. So what is meant by adjacent angles? There are three conditions are there for adjacent angles. First one, they have a common vertex. First condition, I'll write the condition first. They have a common vertex. Okay, I'll give the figure here. One common vertex I will mark. Okay? Okay. Second one, they have a common arm. Arm means side. One common arm I will mark. Third one, the non-common arms are either side of the common arm. The non-common arms are either side of the common arm. Like this. These are the non-common arms. This is the common for both. Means here one angle forms, can you see? Here one angle forms and here one more angle forms. Here one more angle formed. So for this angle, this and this is the ray. We will name it as A, B, C, D. For this angle, AB and AC are the rays. For this angle, AC and AD are the rays. So AC is common in both. Is it? AC is common in both. So that is called a common arm. That is called a common arm. Common vertex means everything is meeting here itself in point A. This is called a common vertex. This is a non-common side arms. Why? Because this is not common for both angles. Only this is common for this, this is for this. So next point. Non-common arms. Common arms are either side of the are on the
Is Tamana is there in the class? Tamana, are you there in the class? Tamana is class, you know?
Ma'am.
She's disturbing the class. Simple maths.
Your voice is breaking, ma'am. Can't hear. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is breaking.
Have you understood the 3 points? If these 3 points are satisfied,
Your voice is not listening, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is not listening.
Ma'am, voice is not listening.
Ma'am, voice is not listening.
Your voice is not here.
Ma'am, voice is not listening.
Voice is not hearing.
Ma'am, your voice is not listening.
I cannot hear your voice, ma'am.
what happened? Can't you hear my voice?
Ma'am, your voice is not listening.
That what do you know? If
anybody calls, so that will go Bluetooth. Once again, I have to set. So I'm saying, please don't call in between the class. If you have any urgency, please drop a message or call me later. Students are not understanding if you said. I don't know why they are doing it. Okay, 3 angles are there. Continuous 2 angles, it is adjacent. Suppose angle 1 and angle 3. I'm asking one question for you. Angle 1 and angle 3, are there adjacent angles? Angle 1 and angle 3, are there adjacent angles? Not clear about the adjacent angle. See, adjacent angle means one common vertex must be there here. And one common arm must be there. Common arm illilla. Illidondu arm. They are not common. Correct? ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 angles ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬರಬಾರದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? In between 2 angles, their gap should not be there. If any gap comes between the angle like this, ಈಗ 1 ಮತ್ತು 3 ನೋಡಿ, ಇದರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. If any gap comes in between the angle, it is not the adjacent angle. Their adjacent angle will not form. Adjacent angle condition is what? Having a common vertex, if there is. They have a common arm, but here common arm is not there. Suppose if I am going to be rub this one, 1 and 2. Is it adjacent angle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, are you clear about the adjacent angle? Because next linear pair birthday, confusion agbardu. While looking, it looks like same. Are you clear about the adjacent angle now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Continuous angle. continuous angle with a common arm and common vertex, then only it is an adjacent angle. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is the figure. So angle, I'll write it from figure. Angle 1 and angle 2. How can I write the angle? Can you tell me how can I write the angle by the naming, with the help of the naming? B, angle forms in vertex A, is it? That should come in the
Yes.
middle. B, A.
B, C.
Very good. Angle BAC and which is the one more?
CAD.
Very good. Angle CAD are the adjacent angles. This are the. See, dear students, if you not understood anything, please ask and clear here only, because in higher classes these basic things will once again they will not repeat, explain. But without these basic things you cannot attend a single problem in geometry part. If it is clear here, then you can do any problems there. Okay? Okay, just a minute, wait. So, for time up, I think I'll stop with the adjacent angle only.